Welcome to us making a keto, and today we're going to be making a brownie battered pound cake. Okay guys, I got this one from off the channel Stovetop Kisses. She made this on her channel, so when I saw it, y'all know we had to do it. So today we're going to be making this cake keto. Also guys, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel if you like the content that I'm putting out. I upload every week. So make sure you hit the notification button so you can get those notifications every time I upload. Okay, now let's get into it. Alright guys, so we're going to start off by making the pound cake portion of this recipe. So we're going to start off with our room temperature cream cheese, our melted butter, and our sweetener of choice. Also guys, I'll have all the exact amounts linked in the description box below. Alright, once we got all that added, let's go ahead and give it a mix. Alright, now we can add in our 3 room temperature eggs and the vanilla extract. Let's give it a quick mix. Alright, once all that's mixed together, we're going to go ahead and add in our almond flour, our baking powder, and our salt. And then we'll hand mix it with a spatula. Mixed together, we can set this aside so we can start working on the brownie portion. Alright, so we're going to start by melting down our chocolate. You guys can use whatever chocolate you like. This is dark chocolate. You can use unsweetened chocolate chips if you like. That would work too. Alright, so we're going to go ahead and put in our butter, put this in the microwave, and get it melted down. Alright, while our chocolate was melting, I got 3 eggs in a bowl and I whisked it together. We're going to go ahead and add our chocolate to this. So once we got our chocolate added, we'll go ahead and blend this together as well. Alright, once finished mixing that, let's set that aside and get working on the dry ingredients for the brownie portion. Let's go ahead and start with our almond flour. I'm going to go ahead and add in our cocoa powder. And you guys can use whatever cocoa powder you like, dark or regular, it really doesn't matter. We can go ahead and add in our sweetener, our baking powder, and the espresso powder. Once we got all these ingredients in, let's go ahead and mix it up real well with a whisk. Alright, once we got all the dry ingredients well mixed, let's go ahead and add it into the chocolate mixture. And also guys, while you're doing this part, you probably want to move fast because the longer you wait, the more stiffer your chocolate gets. So it won't be a big deal, but when you go to incorporate the 2 mixes together, it's going to be kind of hard to mix it. And you're going to see it happen to me. I kind of took too long and everything kind of got stiff. So just keep that in mind when you're making this. Alright guys, get out your bundt pan. Also make sure you grease it real good, because I would hate for you to do all this work and the cake sticks on you. That'd be bad. So what we're going to do is we're going to line the first part is going to be the pound cake part. We're going to do pound cake, brownie, then we're going to swirl it in, and then we're going to do pound cake again to end it. So you guys can kind of just look at the video and see how I do it, or you can kind of come up with your own idea. I mean, it won't make or break the cake. I think it'll taste good regardless. This is more or less for looks, if anything. But as you can see, you see how my ingredients got stiff on me? It's because I had it sitting way too long and my chocolate started to stiffen up on me. So I just wanted you guys to keep an eye on that. Got all the layers in. This cake is going to bake at 340 for 30 to 40 minutes. I would keep checking on it around the 30-minute mark and stick a toothpick in it. If it comes back clean, then it's done. Alright guys, while the cake is baking, I decided to make an icing. This is optional, but we're going to start with some cream cheese, some heavy cream, and a sweetener of your choice, and a dash of vanilla. I'm going to mix it up till we get a consistency of icing. And if you like it a lot thinner, you can always add in more heavy cream to thin it out some more. Alright guys, it's time to pull the cake out the oven, and when it was done, this is what it looked like. That's it for the video. If you like it, hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.